Yes, perfect. Did you see? Oh, look at what a beautiful. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make PINSA Romana. It's a thin crust a pizza base, but it's very easy and in a taste it's a really very mamma mia. Yeah, so let's go. I'm going to show you how to make the PINSA Romana pizza base. Let's start. So I have pre-made pizza dough. I'm gonna put the recipe into the description box how to make the pizza dough, or let me in the comments if you want. I can make the video for how to make PINSA Romana pizza dough. So this is pre-fermented, you can say. Oh, oh. What we have to do, we have to stretch and press from the edges. There you don't have to do a lot of efforts. It's gonna be open automatically. Yes, here you go. Did you see that the magic? Roll it, shred the flour. Yeah, that's it. Yes, perfect. Did you see? Oh, look at what a beautiful. Yes. So what we will do here, we will make the tomato sauce and topping and just few seconds in the oven and your pizza is ready. Crunchy.